This is the first Sunday of the month, so once again it's time for the free monthly giveaway. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if we can find a winner. Right, Robert Curry, all you've got to do is send me an email, that's me email address up there, and I'll get the prizes off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to carry on doing giveaways until I've given it all away, basically. If you want to enter this month's giveaway, all you have to do is watch the video, which obviously are watching, like and subscribe to my channel, share it with as many friends as you can, and in the comment box you need to write a comment. All the comment needs to say is 2024 giveaway 5. Simple as that. 2024 giveaway 5. My computer will pick that out of all the random names and we'll get another winner for next month. I'm going to show the prizes now. By the way, it's completely free. It's free to subscribe to my channel. It's free to comment. These are the prizes for this month's free draw. Got a 3 to 4 inch micrometer in reasonable condition. Nice and free and smooth. Got the normal set of Cleveland twist drills. I really like these drills. I use them all the time. Got a toe of antelope here. It won't be this one. It'll be a slightly smaller one. A 4-ounce bottle. As a friend of mine actually importing this stuff, I've got to do a video for him because it is good. I do like it. So there'll be some of that given away as well at the end of the month.